Hello everyone, this is Ambuj Dikshit. My registration number is CS17 and today we are going to see the experiment number 1 for networking, computer networks, and it is troubleshooting commands for computer networks. And to execute the various commands, now number 1, the first command is ipconfig. What it does is it displays all the TCP/IP configuration values and refreshes dynamic host configurations protocol and domain name settings. Now I'll just run this command on my system so as to demonstrate uh, what goes on with this command. Now as you can see, it is displaying all the adapters media status and its state. As you can see, the wireless LAN adapters, Wi-Fi, Ethernet adapter, local area network, and it goes on. Now comes to basically it shows IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway for all the adapters. Now let us get to getMAC. Now as you can easily suggest, getMAC will show you the IP address of the system. Sorry, not IP address, the physical address of the system, and this is what is my physical address. Now let's get to the ping command. Ping command, what basically it does is it will send packets to whatever IP address you tell. So if ping is a command, computer network administration utility used to test the reachability of host on an internet protocol network and to measure the round trip time for message sent from the original host to destination computer. Okay, so this is what its definition says. So let us ping to the website Google. Now, let me explain what this ping command should have done. This ping command should have sent 4 packets from my system through the network which I am currently tuned to KU Wi-Fi and Karunia network, and it should go to the Google server, and each packet should return a message which will be received by my system, and it will be shown here. Now let us show. It says pinging for search Google dot. This is the IP address with 32 bytes of data. Now the first packets request timed out, and all the 4 packets will be request timed out because this ping command is blocked in our network. Okay, that was just to demonstrate, and just to get a glance of how it looks like. I've connected to a different network, and I have got these few requests as you can see in my screenshots. So this is what it looks like when we get a reply from google.com, and these 4 packets will be generated as a reply. Now let us get to a different command, that is tracer route. Tracer route is a computer network diagnostic tool for displaying the route to the IP address. So it will display you the route and the time delay of the IP address. Now let me just show you the uh, screenshot, then I can show you. Yeah, this tracer route, it has an alias of traceroute, and this is the command which is used. Now this is the screenshot I have taken. Now traceroute, and this is the domain name of whatever website you want to search for. This is the command, and when you do it, it goes on like this. Now just to show, I'll just type it over here, and let us take yahoo.com. Okay, it was unable to uh, resolve target system. Now as you can see, it will do 30 hops, and it will tell you how long it took for each hop, and this way you will know how many times we have how many times it took. But here, that on this KU network, all the data have been hidden, so we cannot just see how long it took for the packets and how many places it has jumped from. Otherwise it would have shown the routers and the jumps which it took from the network. Now it will take 30 ops, so it will take a long time. We better close and start afresh again. Now now let us see nbt stat command. Okay. Now, yeah, NBT stand. Basically, it will display the protocol statistics and current TCP/IP connections, and this is what this command is used for. With NBT stat, you can club in /a, which will list the remote machine's name table given in its name. I mean, uh, all the adapter status will be listed using this NBT stat, and adapter status of machines will be named using this NBT /e. Similarly, NBT /n will list the local net BIOS name. So let us try one of them just for the sake of demonstration, and everything goes in a similar fashion. Now this is my local NetBIOS name. This is my name, and this command helps me identify my IP address node and your Wi-Fi node. So as you can see, this is what this command does. Now going forward to NETSH Winshock Show Catalog. Now NETSH is the set of commands that help you to find the network, and it will show network. That is what it's abbreviated as NETSH. Now just to show how many commands are there. Now as you can see, I just use this question mark command, and you can use this everywhere. Whatever command you cannot know, you just put a slash in the question mark and it will list the commands in the context. So it will add a configuration entry to a list of entries. Add firewall, it will change the NETSH advanced firewall context, and so on. So Winshock, what does it do? It changes to NETSH Winshock context. So these are the commands that goes with NETSH. These are the set of commands that goes with NETSH. Now just for the sake of trying this out, let us for one of the command, just for the sake of showing how does it do. Okay, let us try NETSH space trace. Okay, it is not functional on this network. So as you can see, we have tried so many commands on this command prompt, and we have checked so many commands, and we have basically troubleshooting is easy while using these commands. You can easily figure out what's the problem, and we can easily troubleshoot the network to some extent over this network. So thank you very much.